Well, I about got it going here. It's done. Doing some little bit of chisel work. And I'm gonna I got the monitoring, well not the monitoring, but the routering done. Got a lot of sanding stays doing that. Still, I got another video of me sanding on some of it. I do have a video of the routering, but you can't see what I was doing, so it's kind of like, I guess the camera fell. So it's kind of worthless if you know what I'm saying. You don't see nothing. See, I'm doing something. You just don't know really what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and something I'm really wanting to do. You know, I want to show everybody, you know, how to. That's the whole purpose of this. Show you all how to do it. Which nobody even watches these, so it's kind of almost a waste of my time. I am going to put up a prize once I get so many subscribers, because I'm not even getting any. Nobody's even liking, subscribing, or nothing. I got views. I'm getting views. Nobody's liking, subscribing, or anything. So I am going to put up a surprise for to do a Butcherblock and most likely a epoxy table with, you know, I'm not sure yet, walnut, cherry, maple, maybe all together, but definitely be putting up a table. I would like to be able to do the table and the Butcherblock at the 150 subscribers. There'll be proof on everything that it's not fake, it's not a lie. Once, you know, I get all the subscribers, I like to be able to talk to those that win. I would not be choosing them. It'd be a random AI, not me. So it'd be fair. I don't know anybody anyway, so it'll be one of those deals. And when I talk to you, it'll be a custom. So that way, the person that wins basically gets pretty much what the customer would like, instead of just winning whatever. And then later on, it'll be, I'll make something and people win that, and I'll make another, you win that. But I really like for people to start, you know, participate a little bit. I mean, but I am going to start that probably in about. I might do it tomorrow. I don't know. I gotta be gone for a couple days, so I gotta take this to the customer up north, and when I get back, I'll start working on a few projects. Dang, spit it out. And I really seriously want to get that started. I have everything to do it all. There ain't no issue there. I got plenty of wood. I got epoxy. I got color, and I've invested quite a bit. Which I got stuff, you know, that I got to do myself. Also, I will make sure on this next little project I'm doing, it will be recorded 100%. 100% of it at all times will be recorded throughout the whole process. It will be, all of it will be seen. Because, like I said before, I listen to music and I just about to get to hit record. It's like this right here. I've been working on this today for about 3 hours, 4 hours. I just started recording. I just thought about it. I was like, crap, why am I not recording about me working on this? I've been sanding away, grinding, chiseling, and I busted out a piece over here. So I'm sure you all would love to see that. I was standing here just cutting a piece off, and this is I keep my chisels extremely sharp. I was cutting a little, like a splinter section off on the little groove right here. It was this right here that busted. I busted it completely off. I was just barely pushing on it. But this is very, 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 very sharp. It's not as sharp now as it was 2.5 hours ago when that happened. But I blew right through it and it's barely hanging. So I had to glue it, and that's why these clamps are on there. I had to glue it back on. Now I'm waiting on it. It's just like, gosh, I want to get this done. I really, really, really want to get this done. So, yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm not exactly positive if I want to do like 2 all at once or like one at 100, subscribers and another at 150. Y'all let me know, what do you think? What would you all would prefer it to be? What way? Or just wait to get to the 150 and do 2 at one time? But at every so many subscribers and everything like that, I'll make something, shelves, table, not exactly an island. I ain't gonna make an island and give that away right now. But in the future, yeah, could very well make a nice table at this size and give it away. But I gotta be able to get, this wood is not cheap. So I gotta be able to have a little bit of revenue for something that massive, something at that size. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. If you would, I know there's people have seen these, and I see this. They got views. It's not very entertaining. I understand that right now. It will be very soon. It'll be a whole lot more entertaining. I'm not good at the editing yet because I haven't got to spend time at doing it. I'm just learning how to do the edit and everything. But I'm so busy trying to get things done, I don't have time. And I don't know anybody, honestly, that would help me to get some of the editing done or whatever to make this where this looks a lot better, sound better. Because I know I went back on and watched some and it's like, man, that's not how I sound in reality. I don't know what's up with that. I know some of it sounds like I'm fucking intoxicated and crap. That's not. I don't even drink, so I don't get it. I don't know. It's all the program, I guess. Yeah, I really like y'all would kind of like help me out a little bit. Give me some advice. I'm new to all this, so I'm stuck in my own little way. I don't know what people like to really. I'm trying to go off what I like to see, but what I'm totally different than everybody else. I'll be honest, with that's it kind of really don't work well that way for what I want than what everybody else in the world likes to see or whatever. So this right here, what I'm saying is, I'm gonna put this on here in a little bit. I'm going to do a giveaway for sure. As soon as I can get like, I need some subscribers. I don't think I even have one. I think I got two or three subscribers. That's about it. So I definitely got to move a whole lot quicker than this. It's just wasting my time, and I'll just go back to doing what I was doing. But I would like to be able to do some giveaways. I think that'd be pretty cool. And obviously, it would be on me. I'll pay for the shipping and all that once we get everything going and all that. So let me know what y'all think. Try to spread the word. Let's get some subscribers in, so I can start growing my channel some. I need to grow my channel. I need to get the channel to grow. Once I start getting to grow, I can also pay for programs and everything to make everything look better. I'm working on a couple other little spaces for rooms to build and everything. So I'm out of my garage. That's why I'm doing this right here on my kitchen island. This sucks. I do not like this, but it is what it is. I definitely want to get it out of my kitchen. My kitchen is a disaster because of this. But yeah, I want to let me know what you think. You can get some subscribers going here. Push the word out. Let's get some subscribers and some likes. And I said I don't like that. I don't. But I gotta get this channel growing, or I'm just gonna have to forfeit on it and go the other route. So let's see what we get going here, and let's get some items given away. Let's get some stuff done here. Talk to you later.